What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So today, guys, we're actually working in the Mark 4 today. So today, guys, we are actually working in the Mark 4 today. I don't know where we're about to start at, but we're about to dive in and just start. So right now, I'm just working at trying to get these control arms out of here right now. I got that control arm is replaced already, but I wasn't able to tighten it up because of that axle right there is in the way of the bolt. I'll show you guys in a second, but it's in the way of that bolt right there, so you have to take that axle out to tighten that bolt. So right now I'm just working at about to jack the car up. Pretty sure I brought my jack stands, which I did. Awesome. Let's go up a little bit higher. Lucky me that this axle bolt was already broken, so I don't have to break it. But I do need to grab a hammer right quick so I can beat it out of there. Okay. Nope, not gonna work. After all of that, I finally was able to still gonna be a pain. Still wants to be a pain. Oh, okay. I was about to say, stupid axles. Wow. But this is the new control arm right here. You see on top of the bolt, it has a point where you can put an Allen key in that to hold this ball joint so it doesn't just spin on you. So that's why I had to take that axle out, because the axle sits right literally on top of the nut, which is right there. So that's why you gotta take that axle out of there, which sucks. But from there, it's just that one right there, that one in the back, and the ball joint. Between all you and me, swear to God, I'ma take the struggle out the trenches. One money, more problem on your business. I hate to lay down. Cool. So I got that control arm out. That thing was busted. It was done. I needed to change it out a long time ago, but I don't know. Now was probably the best time that I had to do it. But this is the new one, and let's just get it put back in there. Okay, now for the hard part. I gotta get that axle out of there, so let's go with that. And then let's take a screwdriver and put it right there. And let's see if we can break that. Never mind, never mind. flush with that, and then take a hammer and whack that. Just that simple axle is out, and you can see where I already put the new one in, but I just couldn't tighten up the bolt, and I had to bring the car over here, so I said I'll just do it when I get over here. So let me just fix that. Both new control arms are in and good to go. So I guess I will catch you guys in the next video, where we start to probably pull all of this stuff off of here and get probably ready for another fresh coat of paint. But I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day.